Midjourney is powerful, but everyone uses it differently. So whether you're building brand visuals, crafting concepts, or making client-ready content, you're doing something unique. So, what do you want to learn next? I don't want to assume what you need. That's why I made a super short survey. So use the QR code or click the link in the description. It's just 4 short questions, all open-ended. You tell me what you wish Midjourney could help you do better, or faster, or cooler. I'll read every response, and the next video on this channel could be your questions brought to life. Help me, help you. Thanks in advance.